Hello, Bear Nation. Principal Wilson here with this week's update. You can see I kind of got a little slick hair going. I just got out of the gym from being pied by a couple students in the face. However, I couldn't be more proud of this community and our students. Boy, we've had a fun day today celebrating our kids, celebrating the fact that we have raised $5,000, right at $5,000. We're just a little bit short, but we're confident that we will raise the rest of the money next week. So we've basically reached our goal, and I can't thank you all enough, can't thank the students enough. It was great to see them be kids again. It's been a long 18 months, and it was good to celebrate with them today. We served back some other students, right, and our students had a good time. Meanwhile, and I also wanted to share with you, it's not just about the money. Our students are going to be partnering up with these students in Jefferson Parish. They're going to be reading to them. They're going to be doing Zoom calls with them. We're going to continue this relationship with this school throughout the course of this school year. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about what our kids will learn from them as well. Big shout out to the community. Appreciate that. Just a couple quick updates. Tonight our high school football team plays North Hall, basically for the region championship. So we hope to see everyone out tonight at North Hall, even though it's going to be kind of a cold, damp evening. Come out, support the Bear Nation at North Hall tonight. Also, just a quick reminder to make sure that we are talking to our students about the importance of keeping up with their grades, their assignments. We have to get them back into that routine of building up their stamina and rigor when it comes to their learning. That is why we are here, to make sure that we are giving every effort that we can to support them in their learning, but we need your help. So make sure that you're staying on them, making sure they're turning in their assignments. Appreciate all that you do for us. Y'all have a great weekend. Go Dogs, go Bears.